It's been a long time since I came around. Been a long time, but I'm back in town. This time I'm not living without you. It tastes like whiskey when you kiss me. Oh, I'd give anything again to be your baby doll. This time I'm not living without you. You said sit back down where you belong, in the corner of my bar with your high heels on. Sit back down on the couch where we made love the first time, when you said to me, there's something about this place. And something about lonely nights and my lipstick on your face. Something about my cool Nebraska guy. Yeah, something about, baby, you and I. 'Cause don't be a drag, just be a queen. Whether you're broke or evergreen, you're black, white, beige, cola descent, you're Lebanese, you're Orient. Whether left disabilities, left you outcast, belittle, rejoice and love yourself today. 'Cause baby, you were born this way. No matter gay, straight or bi, lesbian, transgender life, I'm on the right track. Baby, I was born to survive.